Good day, YouTube, and welcome to another tutorial. My name is Abano Akele, and as you all know, this is ASA Digital. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you some simple CMD tips and tricks you can use to probably impress your friends or make people think that you're cool with probably you have some hacking skills or something like that. So this tutorial is definitely going to be harmful. It's just some simple tricks I can use. So first things first, let's get down right into the tutorial. CMD, type in CMD, then we're just going to open this, and the first trick I'm going to show you is change the color of your content in Windows CMD. So Windows comes inbuilt with a list of colors and a list of much, I'm not going to say materials, but like a list of colors you can just change either the color of the text or the color of the background. So let me just show you. The first one I'm going to type is in color 4. As you can see, as I type in color 4, the color of the text changes. And if I type in color 2, as you can see, the color of the text also changes. And if I type in color B, as you can see, it also changes. You can use alphabet, you can use numbers, everything works. So let's get down right to the second one. So the second command which I'm going to show you is we can actually bring up our system information right in the command prompt, and it shows us probably most of this basic information, our settings. If we go to settings and about PC, it might probably show. So let's just type in system info, info, and it says loading processing information and everything. So if I also open this up right now, you can see that it brings up mostly all information about our PC, because now you can see that I'm running a Windows 11 Pro. The name of my laptop is the Lenovo F38 Yoga. It runs 8 gigabytes of physical memory, and I have 20 gigabytes max size of virtual memory, and I also have 40 gigabytes available, and I'm using 6 gigabytes out of that 20 gigabytes currently. And it shows us mostly like the name of the computer, everything, and most of the basic information. So let's get down right in the next one. So the next one is probably it's similar to like the task manager in the Windows, but this also shows up the how would I put it, the list of like programs that will run in the background. So if I also type in this command task list, as you can see, it brings up the name of all the programs that run in the background. As you can see, just a list of like the apps and the programs that run in the background. So let's get down right to the next one. So right now we're down into hacker territory. So this command is going to show us like a graphical representation of almost all the files and programs that are on our computer system, and you can use this one to trick people that you're an hacker. So first thing first, we're going to type go into F11, which brings us into full screen mode, and just watch this. I'm going to go into matrix color mode now. So if I just type in color 2, as you can change everything to green, and if I now type in 3, then C, then colon, then backslash, it brings up this like the graphical representation of everything that is going on in a computer system. So you can just use this and doing as if you're typing something on your keyboard. Well, meanwhile, it's Windows that is running everything. It makes you look cool, and it impresses your friend. So down to the next one. So this command I'm going to type right now shows up like a list of previous commands that we've used right in the command prompt. So if I was to type in DOS key, then backslash, then history, this just brings up the basic commands that we've used right in the command prompt. As you can see, this was the most previous command, recent command that I used, because I had to reboot the command prompt to show everything from that. So, but this just shows us because this is the most previous command I've used. So that's the end of this tutorial. I'm going to be pumping more tutorials like this. So if you want to see more content, that is, please like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.